Wow, that's a very bustling place. Oh, I like it. Follow your instinct. Okay, let's go. Good start of the day. Next stop, Haría. We're definitely gonna miss the rides here and the palm trees, the sun. And going through these little towns, definitely we're gonna miss. Oh, look at that! Look at this road!
Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Yeah, Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. In no face I recognize, and my baby can't be found. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. Now the porch is bare and broken, and her name's gone from the wall. The church bell moaning down on Beale Street side. Heard the church bell moaning down on Beale Street side. Sounded like forgiveness for the tears I try to hide. Now I'm sitting with this guitar, strings hum like they know. Yeah, sitting with this guitar, strings hum like they know. When love don't live no longer, that blues is all you own.
Look at that! Wow, what a beautiful entrance to this region. The cactus and the palm trees around. Let's take the first exit. Gemos del Agua. Back on the highway. About 8 miles.
I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. Now the porch is bare and broken, and her name's gone from the wall.
Look, Haría is the second exit. We have got about 1.5 miles. We are nearly there, and you can see the palm trees. Oh, it looks like a beautiful valley. Look at this small village. Oh, wow. Look at that. What a beautiful villages this is. Look at these streets. Wow. Very nice. What an amazing looking town or village, I would say. other villages, very peaceful, and quiet. Just follow the road. Perfect. Oh, this looks like a beautiful town. I can see the square right next there. So we're gonna go and explore it in a sec. Let me get ready, lock up the bike. Looks like there are quite a few other bikers around in the town, quite a few. This is great. You can see there's a bike group riding, the local bikers. I was talking to some of the guys. Okay. Yeah, nice, beautiful bikes. Right, okay, so they are off now and we are on. So let's get into this beautiful town. Look at this. So as soon as you get in here, you see an open market. It is great. I think it doesn't open every single day, but I guess we are lucky to be here today. Oh, that's very nice. All the goodies. Very nice. Hola. Right, so you got all the fruit and veg, fresh juice, smoothies and stuff. Oh, that's very nice. Let's go around first. Souvenirs, more souvenirs. Oh, that's a very bustling place. Oh, I like it. And on this side as well, all these shops. Music a little bit further down. Oh, that's a very nice place. I know it's I don't really like when there are so many tourists around, but this one definitely has got different vibe. So this place, we've got a whole group. Massive blocks of cheese, massive. Some more goodies, maybe we can try a little later, but for now let's look around. That's a very nice place. There's another singer, I think, having a little rest. An art shop, I think. Some headscarves, bags, cafes, bars. So you get to this side and you get to the main street, I think. Is that a real bike? Is it made of? Oh wow, look at this. It's made of wood. Oh wow. It's a real wood? It's wood?
It's all wood.
Oh wow. Wow. Amazing. Oh, it's a beautiful bike. Is it easy to ride?
Yes. Que si dice que sí, es fácil de conducir. Like a bicycle.
Oh, yeah.
It has disc brakes, if you can see it on this side.
Oh, I see. Oh, wow. Oh, I see. Yeah. And it must be a custom bike. Custom
Yes,
bike.
it's made by
himself?
him.
Oh,
By himself,
wow.
yes.
Oh, wow.
Complete. He's a carpenter.
Oh, wow.
And he has a lot of other bicycles
I
and
see.
tricycles and
wow.
He's very, very good.
He is. I mean,
Fantastic
that's a piece of art.
Yeah.
It's a piece of art.
Really piece of
What a beautiful bike.
Look, even the pedals.
I mean, everything is like, you know,
Very, very
handmade,
special.
handmade everything.
Yeah.
Oh wow, what a beautiful bike. Thank you very much for all the information.
Yes.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Welcome. Thank you.
Oh wow. As a beautiful, the guy is an artist. This guy is an artist. Oh, okay, so you got a supermarket down there. Okay, now this part looks pretty busy. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. It's customary to visit a local church as well. Let's go inside. Be quiet. Yeah, so this church looks like a very modern looking church, as you can see. Looks like recently built. There's a huge cross on the wall, straight, and yep. Matthew 11, chapter 28, or Matthew 11, chapter 9, something like this. Some verse from Bible. You can see it's very, looks like newly built, very modern church. Okay, confession corner, and this is the, well, it doesn't look like this, does it? I mean, this is definitely the marketplace. This is where all the market is happening now. The church doesn't look like, maybe that used to be like that. Yeah, that's a bit more like yeah, model. Okay, let's get out of here and quiet. Okay, so we are now heading to Mirador del Rio, which is the very northern tip of the island, Lanzarote. We are pretty close to that place, so in 15-20 minutes we'll be there, and that would be the pinnacle of probably today's ride. You're gonna love it. Let's do it.